to talk about how long your Apple device might last. So I did some research on the internet. Not much research actually, I just found two articles. One said that Apple had released data saying that iOS devices last a little over 3 years, meaning one owner owned that device for around 3 years. And for OS X devices, Mac devices, they last over 4 years. So products are pretty good. They last pretty long. And I looked at a different article on Tech Republic where a Simco did their own study of all Apple products, and they said average life is around 4 years and 3 months. And so I'll include these links on the description. What's it called? And so here are the articles. This is the Tech Republic one where it says the average lifespan is 4 years and 3 months. And 2 out of every 3 devices ever sold are still in use. That's pretty good statistics. And over here was this UK, the sun.co.uk article that talked about Apple releasing average lifespans. So 3 years of service for iPhones and 4 years for OS X and TV. So it's pretty impressive. I would assume they actually last longer. I have my own devices and they've lasted for a long time. And that leads me to a question I have for people out there. What is the leading cause of Apple device failures? And I'm not sure. My guess is usually, you see this broken iPhone, my guess is battery failure over time, and so that's why it only lasts 3 to 4 years. If you can replace that battery, you can get a lot more life out of your iPhone. So that's it. Just wanted to make a short article about that, short video about that, I mean.